So I have arrived at the Atlanta hotel. We love this hotel, it's lovely. Really good setup. My favourite part about this hotel is the amazing view. You can see 4 miles. Quite high up. Yeah, I've got a couple of plans, going out to a bar called Trader Vic's later, maybe to the Hard Rock for dinner. I'm so hungry, I could go as soon as possible. And then tomorrow we are visiting the aquarium and World of Coke, so that should be quite fun. Very much looking forward to it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this little trip with me, and again I'm sorry for the chaotic beginning to the vlog, but yeah, thank you for watching and I'll take you along with me. Changed rooms. I just didn't feel like the other one, well, for private reasons. Yeah, so different room now, which is quite nice. Let's have a look. 2 beds. Just on my way downstairs now to go for a nice meal and some drinks, which I'm so excited for, very much needed. Yeah, I think Hard Rock first and then Trader Vic's. But it'll be really lovely to see my friend again. As I've said before, like, one of the biggest perks of this job is just being able to see friends, see family, and also like have my life back in the UK. So absolute win for me. But yeah, I will catch up with you shortly. It's Austin!
Welcome to Atlanta, Emma.
Yeah, I'm in Atlanta. This is Austin's hometown now.
Right, I'm glad to hear it. Hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube. Hello, people of YouTube.
That's right, hello, vlog.
Hello, Emma's 10 subscribers. It's not quite what we're used to.
It's not the Orlando.
It's not the Orlando one. The Orlando one's the biggest one in the world.
Yeah.
And it's a bit echoey, and there's a strange...
The music is odd.
There's odd music, there's a strange smell. It's quite empty. The food looks good. And they've got a great, like, boo menu on at the moment, which is very exciting.
Happy Halloween.
So, yeah, we've waited about, like, 30 minutes or something to
I
get
just want to
there.
say for the record, I ordered the smaller one, but Emma wanted me to get the bigger one, so that's why the souvenir glass is in front of you. So.
Well, it is quite big. Put it next to your head. Yeah, it's bigger than his head. So, oh, sorry. Thank you. To be a Karen.
You keep the glass too, right?
Yeah.
You want to keep the glass?
No, you keep the glass. Anyway, basically, I am being a Karen. This is what I ordered. It's pink, right? This is what I got. It's not pink. It's white. Not only that, but I am a sucker for a margarita.
It looks kind of like sewer water, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it does look a bit, there's like some weird dull
Poop.
bit at the bottom.
That's poop. Why'd that take so
I'm not
long?
going to say anything. I know, it took ages. Not many people will know this, but I have a massively sentimental attachment to this bar. Not this one specifically in Atlanta, but the one in London, Hilton Park Lane. It's just somewhere that my dad was always passionate about and went to growing up. Not growing up, but from early adulthood to now. And yeah, he's taken me there a couple of times. And now I get to come here, but in Atlanta instead, which is really cool. Oh my goodness, look how cute these teeny tiny shots are. So cute, little coconuts. They better be cute. They were $9 for this. It's a mixture shot. Have you seen what's in it? Look in the menu. It's a moody Atlanta this morning, very different to yesterday. Cheers. What did you get?
Pumpkin spice latte, of course.
Nice. I got a hot pumpkin spice latte and it's blurry. I swear this camera is just meant to be really good and it just doesn't work half the time. Right, let's sit down and book an Uber, shall we?
$.
Well, the trick is you don't ask them, you just jump in.
Yeah.
Because they'll charge you if you
go.
ask them.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. They'll charge you if you ask them, just don't ask them.
Am I? He's being sarcastic.
Basically, I've just found out that you can swim with sharks and Austin didn't tell me because obviously he was too scared to do it.
That's not true.
But now, me and the Uber driver have decided that we're just going to jump in.
Yeah.
It's better to ask for,
Ask
for forgiveness than
forgiveness later
permission.
than ask for permission.
Than permission.
That applies to everything.
There we go, noted. That's it, Austin, we're jumping in.
I'm not jumping in.
Okay. Look at that really old arch.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. I mean, it's very cool, and it's
bit
got
random.
the names.
Is that
The names are
Carnegie the architect?
There's Milton, there's Dante, and I can't remember what the one on the backside is. But it's an odd assortment of names.
Is it Carnegie an architect?
Well, he was not really, no, but I mean, Andrew Carnegie donated to tons of museums.
Well, Hilly.
Georgia Aquarium. So is this the biggest one in the world?
I think it is. They have
Cool.
whale sharks. So.
Right, well let's get going. That's a cute little light. Shining Light Award. Founder of the Marcus Institute and benefactor of the Georgia Aquarium. His contributions will benefit our community for generations to come. Has it been shining since 2006?
Sure.
I don't know. Let's just say it has been. Oh my gosh. Okay, where are we heading first, Austin?
Alright.
We've got Explore Cove over there.
Overwhelming. So
Dolphin Coast.
take in the atrium and then we'll go from there. But
Sharks are through there.
Turtle in a habitat once, but he likes different pipes and stuff that they'll build for him. If the divers try to replace it, he will choose them and try to fight them. So there's always going to be a safety diver watching for him specifically.
I need to take.
He's a bit of a brat. But
And it seems, I mean, it's,
Hey mate, how are you doing?
it can do damage.
You're alright.
Middle water. Okay. Am I staying in the water? Yes. Okay.
He's still there. We've done a whole photo shoot and everything and he's just chilling. Hi mate. so peaceful. I think we should go through while it's quiet. I think we should go through while... We've come to see the dolphins. Right, so me and Austin actually met on TikTok, like via TikTok. So we're sat here now trying to find like funny TikToks to make together. Anyway, we're trying to figure out a funny TikTok to make in the meantime. But we came in, we booked it for 10 o'clock. If anyone is in Atlanta, come at 9 o'clock on a weekday. It was dead, and we got that whole room to ourselves to see the whale shark. Obviously, putting feelings aside with the conditions, etc. But it was an amazing experience. So yeah, if anybody wants to have the aquarium to themselves for a little bit, come here weekday 9 o'clock. Because now it's 9:36 now, and all the buses are like pouring in, and school kids, and you can already hear people coming up the escalator now. So yeah, but it was really cool, wasn't it, Austin?
Yeah.
Anyway, we're off to see the dolphins before it gets rammed in here. We left the big bit because that's probably where everyone was going, wasn't it? So, time to see the dolphins. Here we go. Do we know when the show is?
No, I think they have them posted up here.
Okay. Say hello.
Oh. Yeah, these guys have personalities for sure.
Oh, hello. Hi. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh.
Yeah. No, I was thinking about that. It's actually easier. Easier.
Yeah,
Just us.
yeah. Oh, yeah. No, this actually really good.
Yeah.
I think that was a tiger shark,
It looks
yeah.
like it.
He's coming to say hi to you.
I know.
Da-na-na.
Whoa! A bull shark!
Oh, maybe it's a bull shark.
No, head down the right, all the way on the right.
My name is Lindsay, and I'm so excited to be the first to introduce you to one of the sea lions you'll be meeting today. Our first trick-or-treater here is Jupiter.
Okay, this next one is for the sea lions by a show of flippers this time. Were any of you boys rescued animals? That's right, both Neptune and Jupiter were found stranded on the coast of California. Unfortunately, in the last several years, sea lions have continued to strand in the hundreds. Rescue facilities will step in attempts to rehabilitate and release these animals back out into the ocean. However, in some cases, they are either so injured or they continue to strand. And at that point, they will be deemed non-releasable by the U.S. government and need to find a forever home.
vibing with this one. He's a bit of a scary so-and-so. Oh, hello. We literally just missed this, but he picked a fight on him. He won, and now he's slowly backing away. It's quite funny. Like, look at him moving. Oh, he's coming. He's saying, nah, you get back, mate. He's like, don't come near me. He's like, yeah, I'm okay, actually. I'm gonna walk over here.
Like
I'm sorry, he's like slowly walking away. Like, I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry.
Best friends. He just did something about it.
They're probably best friends.
Just like,
he just did something to bother him. Oh.
They're giving off the same energy as the sea lion.
They're so cute though when they come up. I'm currently waiting to go in one of the little underground tubes to see the penguins. This is where I'm going. Oh! Hi, penguin. It's not as cool as I thought it'd be.
Oh, this is cool.
Let's take a selfie with the penguins.
Okay.
Oh, you got your heads in the way. So we were just in those little head things there.
Little pods.
Yeah.
Penguin pods.
Ooh. Yeah, no thank you. I'm actually okay. Good, thank you. So it looks like the dolphin shows are slightly more popular than the other one. Where are we going to go? Central? Let's go Central. I don't want to be in the splash zone though. What are we about?
Video?
What? Yeah. What are we about to watch?
We're about to see the dolphin show. We're excited. People are still stumbling in, but
it looks like it's going to be. We're not in the splash zone.
we're safe.
Yes, but it does look like it's going to be Halloween themed, and they have been relentlessly
Pushing the adverts.
to buy stuff. Anyway, we're looking forward to the actual thing.
Yeah, whenever it starts.
Oh.
Any minute now.
We don't know. Anyway, and then afterwards we're going pizza, and then Wild Coke, and then home time. I know. Anyway, yeah, I'll take a couple of clips of this. I mean, the amphitheatre is so much bigger than it was for the, what's it called? The sea lion one, so. We've just come out of the aquarium. The dolphin show was great. It was a bit Halloween-y for my liking, wasn't it, Austin?
Yeah, a bit too much.
But it was good.
In my opinion.
And now we're so bright because we've just been inside this whole time. Now we're going to a pizza place called Max's Cold Pizza. Apparently it's incredible. My brother suggested it. Okay, Christopher, shout out to you. This is the Coley's. Let's do the pizza. Oh my gosh, look at that garlic bread. Wow. Anyway, I feel like in every single vlog I ever do, I'm eating so bad, so I need to start knocking that off again, but keeps the vlog interesting. It's yummy food. Yeah, so I'll vlog the pizza, but he's coming over now. Thank you so much. Wow, okay. It's not like that anymore.
A lot of bad history.
Yeah, I'm not sure many people know this, but this is where are you off to?
I was just getting a picture of the aquarium.
Oh, this is where Coca-Cola actually originated. Maybe not in this specific building, but it's from Atlanta originally.
Come on and take as many photos you want. You're not gonna be here that long. You're going to be in the city.
Sounds like I've gotten here.
Good afternoon again, everyone. Welcome to our Coca-Cola Theater. I hope you guys have been having a...
My footage is really bad because my camera has decided to die, so this is footage now filmed on my...
Otherwise, the alarm will go off. This is, in fact, V-Volt, currently holding the recipe since December of 2011.
Wow. Thank you. How cool is that? I don't know if that actually just pops, or if they are being made and then taken out to the world. But it's tasting time. What is it? What's the song?
Conga.
Yeah, and?
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Yes.
Cosmic Rewind.
Hint, hint. Go have a look at my other video if you want to see that.
What?
For this. Right. So, hello. Or technically goodbye. Just heading downstairs now for our little get-together briefing situation. Excited to fly back home, and then I start a little bit of annual leave, which I'm very excited for. But yeah, lovely day. Sorry my camera decided to not allow me to take any more footage on it. It was a bit unfortunate. But yes, hopefully this quality has been okay. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. The loads don't look too bad. It's about just over 2/3 full, so hopefully it'll be okay, but in the meantime, yeah, I'll leave you at that. But thank you so much for watching again. No more vlogs for a while as I have a little bit of time off, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the Atlanta trip.